Hi everyone, welcome to the Watch Me First for chapter 10. So if you go to content and you open up your chapter 10, you are going to see that there are two folders within it. The ethics quiz and the discussion board. These two are not due on the same week. Look at the schedule, they are due 2 different weeks, okay? And so you have an ethics quiz that is due the first week. And so if you open up the ethics quiz video link and instructions, it will tell you exactly what needs to be done. Your ethics quiz is not a chapter quiz. You have only one attempt. It is untimed. And I strongly encourage you all to take the quiz while you're watching the videos. Okay? So that is there for the ethics quiz 1 week, and the next week is you have the chapter 10 discussion board. Your chapter 10 discussion board link is here. Basically, you are reading chapter 10 and you're going to post about which two cases from chapter 10 stood out and surprised you. There will be a rubric posted under this folder so that you know about the Flipgrid discussion board grading of it. It is the same as the grading of chapter 7 Flipgrid discussion board. So those are the two things you're doing for chapter 10, which are in 2 separate weeks. Okay, if you have any questions, don't forget to post on the course question discussion board.